When you search for the best grow tents, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Vivosun S425 Grow Tent. First up is the Vivosun S425 Grow Tent. Priced at $89.99, this tent caught my eye with its strong build and reflective materials. If you're looking for a reliable option to boost your indoor gardening game, this is worth a serious look. This helps keep all the light inside, maximizing the output efficiency of your setup. Plus, the zipper has a black inner lining to prevent any light leakage, so you can create a completely light-proof environment for your plants. It's rated 4.5 stars with over 33,500 reviews, which is a solid indicator of its popularity and effectiveness. Now, some people complained about the assembly instructions being a bit unclear. Here's the thing though, most users found it easy to put together even without prior experience. If you're someone who prefers a straightforward setup, you might need to read through the instructions a couple of times, but it's definitely manageable. This is perfect for you if you want a compact grow tent that doesn't break the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for something larger or more advanced. For the price, it truly offers great value. Now, if the compact size of the Vivosun S425 isn't quite what you're looking for, the next one might be more your speed. Product number 2, Vivosun S848 Grow Tent. Next up is the Vivosun S848 Grow Tent. At $186.99, this is a larger option designed for serious indoor growers. If you need space for multiple plants, this one is definitely worth considering. What sets the Vivosun S848 apart is its massive 96x48x80 size and robust structure. Just like the S425, it has 600D Oxford canvas and reflective mylar walls, ensuring no light leaks out. With a similar rating of 4.5 stars from over 33,500 reviews, it's clear that many users trust this tent. However, some users mention that it can take a bit longer to set up due to its size. Here's the thing, if you're planning to grow a lot of plants, the extra effort in assembly is worth it for the results you'll get. This is perfect for you if you're serious about indoor gardening and need plenty of space. Skip this one if you're just starting out or have limited space. For the features offered, it's a good investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a balance of size and price. Product number 3, Vivosun S448 Grow Tent. Now we have the Vivosun S448 Grow Tent priced at $129.99. This model strikes a great balance between size and price. If you're looking for something spacious without going overboard, this tent is worth a look. The S448 measures 48x48x80 and features the same high-quality materials as its larger cousins. With a sturdy metal frame and a top bar that supports 100 pounds, it easily accommodates your lighting and equipment. The reflective mylar walls are designed to maximize your plants' exposure to light, which is crucial for their growth. With 4.5 stars from over 33,500 reviews, it clearly has a loyal user base. But some users pointed out that the zippers can be a bit finicky. Here's the thing, while this could be frustrating, many have found that once you figure them out, they work just fine. Just be gentle and you'll be good to go. This is perfect for you if you want ample space for your plants without the hefty price tag. Skip this one if you're looking for the absolute largest option. It offers excellent value for what you're getting. Now, if you're looking for something even more compact for smaller spaces, our next product might fit the bill perfectly. Product number 4, Zazzy 24 Grow Tent. Next, we have the Zazzy 24 Grow Tent. At just $54.99, this one is ideal for beginners or those with limited space. If you want to dip your toes into indoor gardening without spending too much, this is a great pick. This tent measures 24x24x55 and is made from durable 600D fabric with a reflective mylar lining. It also has multiple vents for fans and filters, ensuring good airflow. With a solid rating of 4.5 stars from 1,400 reviews, it's a well-received option for those starting out. But some users have noted that the height might be limiting for larger plants. Here's the thing, if you're growing herbs or smaller plants, this won't be an issue at all, and it's a great way to start your indoor gardening journey. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or have limited space for your plants. Skip this one if you plan to grow large plants that need more height. For the price point, it's an excellent introductory option. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more durable but still compact, the last product on our list might just be what you need. Product number 5, Melonfarm 2x2 Grow Tent. Finally, we have the Melonfarm 2x2 Grow Tent priced at $53.49. This is another fantastic option for anyone looking for a compact growing space. If you want to grow herbs or small plants indoors without taking up much room, this could be your go-to. It features a large zipper door for easy access and double transparent observation windows, so you can keep an eye on your plants without disturbing them. With a 4.4-star rating from 2,500 reviews, it shows that many users are happy with their purchase. However, a few users found the height a bit restrictive for taller plants. Here's the thing, if you're focusing on shorter plants or herbs, this won't be an issue, and you'll appreciate the compact design. This is perfect for you if you're looking to grow small plants in tight spaces. Skip this one if you're planning to grow larger plants that require more height. Given its price and features, it's an outstanding choice for small space gardening. So there you have it. We covered the Vivosun S425, S848, S448, Zazzy 24, and Melonfarm 2x2 Grow Tents. Each offers unique features suited for different needs and spaces. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced grower, there's something here for everyone. Happy gardening!